The MINELAB X-Terra Voyager metal detector delivers confident performance for serious hobbyists with a powerful waterproof search coil that handles wet sand, shallow water, and rough ground without fuss. Its 4 distinct detecting modes make it easy to move between parks, fields, and beaches while still picking up small coins and jewelry that less capable detectors often miss. Clear visual target identification helps you quickly separate likely junk from promising finds, saving time and reducing unnecessary digging. Adjustable discrimination segments and a dedicated pinpoint function allow very accurate target location, so you can cut smaller plugs and disturb less soil. The detector is surprisingly light and well-balanced, with a shaft that collapses for transport and adjusts easily to suit different heights and arm lengths. The bundled headphones, backpack, and compact shovel create a ready-to-go kit that suits beginners and experienced detectorists who want an all-in-one setup.